Do you know, during this 2024 Lok Sabha election, a tribal majority constituency in Assam is demanding for autonomy. Yes, it is the Dipu constituency. As the Dipu Lok Sabha constituency in Assam, primarily tribal majority area, held its polls on 26 April 2024, the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution became a significant campaign issue. This article empowers the Parliament to establish an autonomous state within Assam, significantly increasing the autonomy of tribal regions. So let's have an overview of Dipu constituency. Dipu is the most sparsely populated scheduled tribes reserved constituency with just 8.9 lakh voters among Assam's 14 Lok Sabha seats. It spans 6 assembly segments in 3 tribal majority hill districts. These are Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. These districts operate under the 6th schedule of the Constitution and are overseen by 2 autonomous councils, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council. The area is home of various communities such as Karbi, Dimasa, Amar, Koki, Rengma Naga, Zeme Naga, Bodo, Garo, Assamese and Gorkha. So let's understand about Article 244A and its key features. It was inserted by the 22nd Amendment in 1969. It empowers Parliament to form an autonomous state within Assam for certain tribal areas. It allows for a separate legislature and council of ministers. It goes beyond the limited powers granted to autonomous councils under 6th schedule. It also allows for greater control over law and order and financial matters. And now, let's understand about the background of the autonomy demand. The demand for greater autonomy in the hill areas of Assam began in 1950s with a movement seeking a separate hill state, leading to the formation of Meghalaya in 1972. However, some areas like Karbi Anglong decided to remain part of Assam, trusting the potential of Article 244A. The Autonomous State Demand Committee, that is ASDC, has been a key player in pushing for this autonomy. They reached a memorandum of settlement in 1995, which intended to increase the powers of the autonomous councils. Despite these political moves, real autonomy has been elusive, and the area has experienced armed insurgencies demanding the implementation of Article 244A. Peace accords have been signed with several militant groups in the region, including major settlements in 2021 with 5 groups in Karbi Anglong and in 2023 with the Dimasa National Liberation Army. Despite these efforts, the complete realization of Article 244A remains a critical and central issue in Dipu, echoed in the promises of all political candidates during the recent elections, reflecting the long-standing aspirations of the tribal communities in the area.